Hi everybody and welcome back to Amazing Tech for All. This is just a short update to the last installation of Arch Linux that I did. Since that installation, I've discovered that when you do another installation with the same ISO that I've used before, so the problem comes in with the installation of using the Archinstall script. The script works fine before, but there's been a driver or a Linux, there's been an application, a VMware application that's no longer available. So let's go ahead and just do the Arch install. Okay, this is going to take a few moments. It's going to ask us to go through the full menu. I'm not going to show the entire video or the entire installation again because I've done this before, but I'm just going to skip ahead with the rest of it. So eventually you end up with this error, and you can see it's xf86-video-vmware target is not found. There you go. So this you'll see that you won't be able to install that target. Now there is to press Y over here for retry doesn't seem to have any impact. Let's just press Y, enter, it goes through it, it comes back with the same error. So you have to start the installation from over. So I'll show you how to go about doing that now. Right, and we can do, in fact what we'll do is go through the process again, but this time around what we will do is go first pacman minus capital S Y, and then it's Arch install. Let's see, pacman. Yes, and this will update it. It will update the Archinstall script, and then when you run it again, I wonder if it'll ask me to go through the same process now. Unfortunately, let's just see. Did it take my settings? Language. I've got to go through the whole thing again. I'll pause the video and we'll just continue on when we finished. And there you can see it completes. Once you've updated the Archinstall script through the pacman minus capital S Y Archinstall, it installs or updates the Archinstall script, and then the error goes away. So I'm going to click on exit, and then I'm going to type in, let's just shut it down for a second. It goes down, and then I'm going to remove the CD, the install CD, and let's see if it works now. Remove from VirtualBox, and we'll start the machine, the VM. It's going up, and yes, we've got installation. Let's see if the graphical info, the GUI also works. And we have a GUI, yes, with Plasma. We'll do the usual password. And then, of course, I also have to add the optical drive for the VirtualBox guest editions. So there we go. Clicking skip all of that. Let's just see, where is this? Oh, there we go. I need this here. I will mount and open. Then run open terminal over here. And then I must run this as a super user. So I'll do sudo vbox run. Yes, vbox Linux editions run. And then type in my sudo password. And it will install the guest editions. And there we have a working installation of Arch Linux running on VirtualBox. Let's just do a reboot. Sudo reboot, and we should be okay in the next few seconds, just to confirm that everything comes up as is expected. Let's do that. Start this up. Okay. Type in the password. This time the installation was shorter because I did not install GNOME in addition to KDE. I only selected the KDE Plasma. Okay, let's maximize it. Let's see. There we go. So now it scales properly. Everything is working. Our next video, we'll do a installation of Docker onto Arch Linux. Okay, well, if you enjoyed what we just did now, please get back to us, or please like and subscribe.